Guys, today me and my brother are going to be trying this new truly sour bright crawlers mini, which my brother said they're not sour, so we're gonna try one or try every kind. We'll just try one first, and we'll do the sour meter thing. Like we tell you from 1 to 10 how sour it is. So let's get tasting. That is not even sour, guys. Oh, we'll hit it. Let's try a different one.
I think I tried the same one.
I want to try this lemon and strawberry. Or cherry. Lemon and strawberry. We're trying the same one. Ooh, that lemon. Probably dog one.
What lemon?
Yeah, it must be watermelon. Now we're gonna try a green. Now we're gonna try a green and orange one. Okay, I'm gonna wait until my brother gets them. 3, 2, 1. Okay. I really like the orange one and the green. It's probably a lime and orange.
I have one more.
This one is probably the best one. I'm saving one for last. Oh, and now let's make a big one. Okay. So that is all the different kinds that they have. So now we're gonna make a big worm right here. Then we're gonna swallow it whole. Not like we eat one at a time. Now we're gonna swallow. We're gonna eat. We're gonna put this all in our mouth.
Oh.
The different kinds. Each different kind. Let's
Sure.
use 3. So, ready, set, go.
Oh, got some more.
Oh.
Mmm.
It's pretty good, isn't it?
It didn't taste any sour.
I know. But now, last one I'm gonna eat is my favorite. This one's my favorite. It's the lime and orange one, which is my favorite. It tastes so good. Oh, these two are stuck together. Literally.
So this one's your favorite?
Yeah.
This one's your favorite?
So good. Yeah.
I have lots of those.
Skittles are my first favorite candy. So I would say these are my second. I love
Hershey's.
Skittles.
Hershey's are my favorite candy.
So, how would you rate the sour challenge? How sour was the whole thing?
1.
1. There's like this tiny hint of sour, but it's not sour, guys. Not really sour.
It doesn't taste anything sour.
I love the orange and lime one. It tastes so good.
Orange and lime?
Yeah. This literally tastes so good. So that's gonna be it of this trolley. I never had these before. That's gonna be it for this.
I had these yesterday.
That's gonna be it for this taste tester candy thing video. So please like and subscribe, and bye guys.